You always imagine that you're going to be successful. How you're going to do it, though, is more difficult. You find what your standard is, and you sort of try to make that standard, relate to your actual abilities.
I got one more over here, Kev.
It isn't about printmaking, it's about working with some talent that has its own set of ideas, separate from yours, and then somehow you put those ideas with your ideas and see how you can match them so that you can come up with some sort of satisfactory solution, or else what you have is just chaos. When you do very ambitious projects, you have a very different kind of collaboration than when you're doing small projects.
Now, the white line that's here, though, Frank, I mean, do you want us to make that white line all the way around this shape, this hook shape?
Just even, yeah.
What happens up here? Do we get a white line up here,
Yeah.
too?
Right.
Up white all the way through? Because this has got that big black piece.
Yeah.
Now,
Yeah.
now,
Okay,
you
what are we
know,
going to do
have-
down here, right?
Yeah, we have no white between these either.
What? Well, I
This
mean,
will be, at this point, this would be a tight fit.
right, but
this.
always, but going generally speaking, a little bit of something everywhere, right?
But now we gotta go over this because, you know, it's on every piece that we have that same issue of when one piece hits another, where does the white line occur?
But the issue is quite resolvable, which is you always have a little white line, and you always keep the line small because in most places you're going to have so much white that the other places will look okay with a little bit of white. Being around Ken is plenty of fun. We do okay working. He's very accommodating, and he likes to do things that he hasn't done before. And I'm very demanding. He has a lot to do. Won't this print?
No, I mean, this is rolled with ink.
Yeah.
We couldn't roll this with ink.
Oh, I don't know. You could wipe it, couldn't you?
Well, we probably could wipe it. We can give you a monotype.
Yeah, that's what I meant.
Oh, yeah,
black
yeah.
and white monotype. Yeah.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
Yeah, because you got this stuff there, and I think that'd look beautiful. I mean, just out of curiosity.
It could be very pretty.
This is the most complex multimedia print we've ever made in 30 years, period. 100 insert plates, 3 wood blocks. Once they were carved, then all the deletions that took place were to make room for insert magnesium and copper plates.
There's a little one missing.
My footprint here?
Oh, Frank. This is not your proof.
Come down with me.
Later.
Needs a
I
needle.
have this needle.
No, I gave
Wait,
a
I
needle
got it.
to,
I got it.
your buddy has your needle.
You know, I never think about Ken. I mean, sort of, even when he's right next to me bothering me. But as far as I'm concerned, in the best possible sense, I mean, he doesn't exist. We work. Put that one down first. Because otherwise you keep buckling that with the other one.
Then, as each plate got proofed in colors, we would pin up and collage on those early proofs in black. Then he started to change the colors of the woodblock, adding gray, then he added green, red. We always had purple and black. So now we have 5 woodblock colors, and I believe, if my count is correct, 102 insert plates on 3 blocks, printed on 3 sheets of paper.
Well, at that corner, it's going to go off right down there, and just because of the decal is like
I
that.
need somebody, well,
No, we'll do it. That end gets cut. Don't worry about that edge.
2, 3.
Okay, to the press a little bit.
You're gonna let Tom out do that.
Try and grab that end if you can.
Got it.
We didn't have enough pressure yesterday. I think you better listen for cracking noises.
another paper piece, Yasser.
Well, I asked Frank to do a very big print for the Yokohama show 2 years ago. He came up with the design, which was a gigantic collage, full scale, the fall of last year. We quickly started making tracings. Then we had to learn how to make the wood blocks. We've gone through 4 major changes now since the blocks were carved. You can't really get life into a piece of art like this by copying the original collage. The original collage becomes a starting point. It can't be the finished product. That's the invention really takes place because you have an idea, and then you take that idea and put it to another medium, such as printmaking and paper. And try not to make collage elements. Try not to glue things on. And then you find you are into a new territory, making a totally new image. Frank doesn't make any critical decision until the very end, because he has all this time to study not only what's happened to the print itself, but he has a chance to study all the other things he's working on at the time that he's about ready to say yes to the image. So it's like every print becomes current to Frank's life, because everything he's doing is very fresh in his mind. It's a trust between artist and collaborator that makes it happen. Without that trust, it's not going to work. Something as large as this, there's no way to calculate the problems. There's no way to even realize that you're going to finish and have a work of art that you can sign and send out into the world.